welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany, so welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, I have a collective haul of skincare and makeup. I'm going to be sharing with you guys skincare and makeup that I purchased from Sephora and Ulta. And then I had some skincare stuff gifted to me from Amazon. So I wanted to put everything in this video. So I'm excited because I've had these items for probably 2 weeks and I've been kind of, you know, accumulating everything before I did the video. And now after I record this, I can, you know, start to use them. So as far as Sephora goes, I'm pretty sure that the VIB sale is either gonna start soon or it's already started by the time this video goes up. I'm recording this at the end of October, but the VIB sale, I'm pretty sure it starts on November 5th, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have that information in the description box for you guys. So I am gonna start with the stuff that I got gifted from Amazon. I have been very into skincare since the summertime, around August. Because your girl is 30, and I've said this before, I'm 31 now, and when I was in my 20s, I was just focused on makeup and that was it. But I see how important it is to take care of your skin so that you're snatched, you know, later on in life. I've been watching a lot of people's skincare videos and stuff on Pinterest, and shout out to Miss Chrissy because she did a skincare series last summer, but I watched it this year, and she has like several videos. It's like 10 videos in her series, and she goes through everything that you use in your skincare regimen or routine, and she does it in a way that is easy to comprehend, because I've noticed sometimes people make skincare so like complicated and it's annoying, but the way Chrissy does it, you can tell she knows what she's talking about and she's passionate about it. And her skin, the proof is in the pudding. She has beautiful skin. So I watched a lot of her videos and I got some recommendations from her content. So if you haven't watched Chrissy's skincare routine series, then definitely watch it. She kind of simplifies it so just everyday person can understand, okay? I just Googled products for daytime skincare and products for nighttime skincare, because some people use different things, and some people make, like, you know, those composite infographic kind of pictures, and I took suggestions from those pictures too, like random ones online. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is from IT Cosmetics. This is their Confidence in a Cream. This is for all skin types, and this is a transforming moisturizing super cream. So it says anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate. I have just been using the Saturday Skin moisturizer that I picked up from Amazon last month, and I love how it feels. It's a water gel. It feels amazing on my skin, but I do want to try out different products. So I picked this up, and it has just like a generic smell. It doesn't have like any harsh smell to it. This container is heavy as crap. I don't even know what kind of container this is, but it is kind of heavy. Yeah, so we shall see. I'll probably start to use that tonight to see how I feel about it. The Saturday Skin water gel just off top feels amazing on my skin, but we'll see what this is, because this is straight up cream versus the water gel is it's a mix of cream and like a gel consistency. So we'll see what this is like. And then I picked up the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash, which is a prebiotic gel cleanser. So I've only tried one other product from Elemis. I have been using the cleansing balm for a month, and I really like it, and it's a lot of product in it. I don't even know when I'm gonna run out of that. That stuff's really good, and that's my first time using a cleansing balm. Before the last few months, I didn't know a lot of people use a cleansing balm instead of a makeup wipe to take their makeup off. They just say it's better for your skin. So I wanted to try their facial wash because I've been using the Neutrogena facial wash. I don't know what other people say about it, but I'm totally fine with it. It's a drugstore facial wash, and I've had no issues with it. I really like it. I'm on my second bottle since August, but I wanted to try something else, so I picked up this cleanser from Elemis, and we'll see what it's like. Let me see if it has a smell. Oh, it does. Good Lord. It's a strong smell too. What is that supposed to be? Oh, okay, so it says the ingredients. The facial wash. This facial wash combines superfoods of avocado, broccoli, and kale with a prebiotic to help balance the skin's natural microbiome. Skin is left feeling soft and deeply cleansed with an outdoor fresh glow. It smells like the outdoors, so the smell kind of caught me off guard, but the ingredients they said that's in it, I'm here for it. Ready to use it, y'all. Okay, so this is what, I'm pretty sure I got this idea from Chrissy's video, because I didn't know you were supposed to use facial oils like that, and I think you do that after moisturizer, if I'm not mistaken. I got a daytime one and then I got a nighttime one. So the first one that I have is the Sunday Riley CEO Glow, and this has vitamin C and turmeric, and this is a face oil. So it has advanced vitamin C, turmeric, and evening primrose oil to brighten, hydrate, and glow. Okay, so this little thing, I think it was pretty expensive. I think it was like $40 for this little bottle, but yeah, this is gonna be my daytime oil, facial oil here. Maybe I knew that you use a face oil during the day, but I didn't know you needed one for night too. So from the same brand, Sunday Riley, I picked up the Luna sleeping oil here, and it says next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. Sounds good, okay? Like, I'm not gonna front like I know everything that's in this stuff, but from the recommendation, she sounds like it's a good product. Moving on, I also picked up the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. It's hydrating and pore refining. So I got this for a couple of reasons. I've been using the Bliss toner that I picked up from Target in August for 2 months, and I love it. I think it's great, but I'm running out and I wanted to try something else. First of all, the bottle is cute, okay? It's light pink. The bottle is popping. I think it's cute. I know people don't care about this stuff, but I do. I think the bottle and packaging is really cute. And this particular company was on Shark Tank. Told you guys in my October favorites video that that's one of my favorite TV shows to watch, and I thought that was dope that these ladies got a deal on, I'm pretty sure they got a deal on Shark Tank, and they've been popping. I've been hearing about them a lot in the makeup industry, makeup skincare industry, before I even knew they were on Shark Tank. So I wanted to try this out. It's very watery compared to my Bliss toner, which is like a thicker gel kind of consistency. Let's see if this has a smell. I mean, if it's watermelon glow, I got these long nails on, so. Ooh! Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I can't wait to use this. And this is a huge bottle, so this should last me a while. I realized I didn't have anything besides my Pond's eye makeup remover cream in my collection, so I wanted to pick up this. This is from Burt's Bees, and this is their eye makeup remover pads. It has kiwi extract in it. Let me see, does it have a smell? I mean, it does. It's not pleasant though. Ugh. But this is gonna be good for those days that I do like heavier eye makeup and stuff. So I wanted to pick that up. I told you guys I have been using the Elemis cleansing balm for the last month, and I really like it. But I think that's like the top tier of cleansing balms. All the influencers and gurus talk about Elemis cleansing balm. So I tried it. I think it's great. It kind of smells like vapor rub. You get a lot of product with it, so it's gonna last me a long time. I wanted to see if there was an affordable alternative to that. So I'm pretty sure one of my subscribers, her name is Jordan, she recommended the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. And you don't get as much product as the Elemis cleansing balm, but you know, if it's cheaper and it works and does the same thing, then I'm all for it. I have not tried this, as I told you guys, but the consistency is definitely not, I don't think it's like the Elemis one. This is like, I don't know. It's a more solid consistency. The Elemis one is kind of jelly, more on the jelly side. This is way more solid than that. So we'll see what that's like. I'll start using this stuff and give you guys an update on if I like it or not. That was everything from Amazon. Now we're gonna get into the stuff that I got from ULTA. I bought this stuff myself. So I repurchased the Mario Badescu skincare facial spray, because sometimes like I'll do my skincare in the morning and then I'll do some other stuff, and then by the time I'm ready to do my makeup, my skin's kind of dry again. Not like all the way dry, but just not very hydrated. So I picked this up to kind of mist my face before I start with the process of doing my makeup and stuff. And I've actually been using this for years. Like, if you follow makeup and skincare and stuff on YouTube, everybody loves this. This was like an OG thing that everybody liked. So I picked up a big bottle. I used to get the small one, but I like it, so I repurchased it. And then this is a random buy, but really and truly, I use Jergens lotion, and I picked up like old school butter in a jar, Queen Helene's, and I use that on my body. Now the Queen Helene's in that big like cylinder container sucks. It's just like water. I've seen memes of other people saying it sucks too, but the one that's in the jar is really good, I think. But I wanted to try like some nicer, you know, higher end body lotions or whatever. So this is random. I don't even know how to pronounce this company, but I'm pretty sure it is Avene. I think that's what it's called, Avene. And this is moisturizing melt-in balm for dry skin. So they give you a lot in this tube. It was a little bit on the more expensive side. Just smells like lotion, nothing special to it, but we shall see how I like it. Let me see what it claims. This rich balm has a relaxing fragrance and wraps the skin in comfort with a long-lasting moisturizing effect, 24 hours. It contains oleo, soothing complex made from 3 plant oils, and Avene thermal spring water. It's a non-greasy, non-sticky finish. Apply by lightly massaging onto the skin, onto clean skin, and it's for external use only. So the reason why I picked this up is because, first of all, I hear people talk about Dermalogica all the time, specifically Jackiana for the last few years, and I was like, if Jackie think it's popping, then it has to be, okay? So I picked up the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So this is an exfoliant powder, which I thought this was gonna be like just like a, you know, like a creamy material with some stuff in it that exfoliates your skin, but this is a rice-based powder that activates once you put water on it. And they say you can use it daily. I guess that's a skincare myth that you can't exfoliate daily, but I feel like Dermalogica would know if it's, you know, bad for you. So use daily. It says use daily. So we're gonna see what this is like. You do get a lot of product in here. Dermalogica is on the more expensive side, so we'll see if this is actually worth it. Okay, so this is a repurchase. The next two things are repurchases. So I picked up the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and I actually think I have it in Deep, but I'm using this for like under my eye and setting my concealer and stuff. I don't really use the Deep one that I have. I already have like a setting powder that I use for my face instead of the Deep translucent powder. So I'm going to be using this under my eyes. I think this is, everybody raves about this because it's so finely milled and it looks good under your eyes and stuff like that when you're setting your concealer. And then I repurchased the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation, and I have it in the shade 5W1 Bronze, and I haven't repurchased this in a while. Like, I tried it, I believe, for the first time in like 2017, 2018, somewhere around there. And this has crazy coverage. This has really crazy coverage, but like, I feel like this time of year you can do that. I think like in the summertime you want something lighter in that skin tint kind of realm, but this is some heavy duty coverage and stuff right here. So the only thing about it is, baby, it does not come with a pump in 2021. I don't know why they do that. So I knew that because I've tried this before, but they had a separate pump that you can purchase for an additional like $10. I don't know what it claims and everything, but I just bought it off the strength of Face Over Matters ad. It looked good on her. I have the shade 9, and I did swatch it on my hand, and the shade looks good. The consistency is pretty runny compared to my other foundations, but I feel like this is gonna work, and I hope that it does, because this is $64, the most expensive foundation I have ever tried. But we'll see what that's hitting for. I'll keep you guys posted. And this is a recommendation from Kyra Knox. I told you guys she's one of my favorite makeup gurus on YouTube, even though she does more lifestyle content nowadays. I picked up the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I have it in dark brown. I picked it up because it's very similar. Well, it's chunky like my Benefit Goof Proof pencil that I love, and that's what I have on my brows today. And I wanted to try this out because she raves about it. This is more expensive, I think, than the Goof Proof pencil, but I was willing to give it a try because she said this is like her ride or die brow pencil. And lastly, I picked this up because of Kyra Knox as well. She said she loves the Sephora MICROSMOOTH Multitasking Baked Face Powder. And I have it in the shade 40 Tan. So this is like, you know, like an all over face powder. And I'm excited to try all of these products. I got this little shelf thing that I got from Amazon to put all of my skincare stuff on. And I've been waiting to do this video so I could go ahead and start, you know, using all these products. So tell me down below some of your favorite, you know, skincare items that you really like, really love, ride or die, that you would recommend. And some of your favorite, you know, makeup products as well from Ulta or Sephora or even Amazon. Drop that down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Drop me a comment down below and tell me if you like this kind of content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.